Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the soft shoes that my wife purchased. So I'm not sure which style is this. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this. Oops, there's the invoice. So the first pair is this item number, and this is the description right here. $89.99. Then the tax is $157. So become $55.56. So I'm not sure why the tax is so low. That's one pair. And this one is the second pair. The item number and then the description. And this one is $1.50 for the tax. So it's $53.07. They also come with a return label in case you need to return it. So this is already banked up before shipment. And it says made in China. So this one is the birdie lemon yellow, and this is the size 8. Go and then take this out. And this is the Velcro. Also right here. Yeah, it's pretty soft. Wow, look at that. So this is embossed. And this part looks like a cork material. And this is the other side. Oh my God. It's like a glue right there and right here. Little bit defect, so. Well, anyway, she got it on sale, so. Let's go and then check out the other pair. Oh, so this pair is made in Cambodia. And this one is size 7.5. There's a size chart or conversion right here. And the tissue paper has a different pattern from this one. Wow, look at that. Look at the buckle on this thing. And right here it looks like a snake skin, but it is not. And over here you have a pull tab on the zipper. Yeah, so right here is a preparation right here, holes. And right here you have 3 different holes for the adjustment. And there's a little elastic right here. Ooh, patent pending. Oh yes. ASMR. Check out the other one. So yeah, it's a nice rubber right here and right here for non-slip. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.